Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the tub insulation blanket on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The tub insulation blanket fits over the top and sides of your GE dishwasher. It helps quiet the cycle, keep the heat inside the tub, and reduces outside condensation. In this video, we'll show you how to replace it if it's missing, torn, water damaged, moldy, or left off after repair or move. If you need to purchase a replacement tub insulation blanket for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. Please don't forget to disconnect the appliance from power and water. For this repair, the dishwasher will need to be pulled out from under the counter. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need help or clarification with your removal. Not knowing this process can lead to potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With the dishwasher pulled out, remove and discard the old tub insulation blanket. You will notice that the new tub insulation blanket is cut at an angle. This is to keep the insulation from hanging next to and getting caught in the door hinge and pulley system. To install the new tub insulation blanket, fold the insulation in half and place the fold on the center of the tub right behind the door latch. The notch corner should be at the front of the machine where the door hinges. Before you reinstall the dishwasher, check the door springs and pulley assembly for wear. Now is a great time to replace any parts that show signs of excessive wear or corrosion. Check out our other videos on how to replace the door springs, hinge rollers, or door pulley cables. Reinstall your dishwasher, and now it's ready to run quieter, more efficient wash cycles. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.